sound effects SFX, which can level up your videos from 0 to 100. In this video, I am going to give you free 170 plus sound effects, literally every sound effect you need to use in your YouTube videos. Whoosh, mouse clicks, cinematic boom, every SFX you need for your YouTube videos. And you know what's interesting? All the sound effects are in order, meaning they are particular folders for particular type of sound effects. Just click the link in the description, download the effects, unzip it, and boom, your sound effects are ready. You can use it wherever you want and don't worry about any copyright issues because it's copyright free. If you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and also bell the icon. And if you want some more free stuff, comment below, I will surely reply to your comment. The next video is going to be a banger.